Did you know that, in the entire history of humanity, only 24 people have seen the Earth in its entirety from lunar orbit? 24? Fewer people than have won an Oscar for Best Director. But that's about to change with Artemis II. After the successful uncrewed test flight of Artemis I, NASA is preparing to take a giant leap, sending humans back to lunar orbit with Artemis II. 4 astronauts, including the first woman, the first person of color, and the first Canadian astronaut to travel this far, will embark on a 10-day journey around our natural satellite. Unlike the Apollo missions, Artemis II won't land on the moon. Its primary goal is to test the Orion spacecraft's life support systems in a real environment, paving the way for future missions that will touch the lunar surface. For this journey, NASA will use the powerful Space Launch System, SLS, the most powerful rocket it has ever built. This colossal vehicle will propel Orion into a high Earth orbit, where critical checks will be conducted before heading toward the moon. Artemis II will follow a free return trajectory. This means that once Orion approaches the moon's gravity will slingshot it back to Earth without the need for major maneuvers. It's like a space highway that reduces fuel consumption and simplifies the mission. This mission is crucial for several reasons. First, it will allow NASA to test Orion's systems in real conditions, ensuring the safety of future astronauts who will land on the moon. Second, it's a key step in NASA's vision to establish a sustainable human presence on the moon and eventually use it as a stepping stone to Mars. However, not everyone agrees with this ambitious program. Some critics argue that the Artemis program's cost is excessive, especially considering pressing issues here on Earth like climate change or poverty. They question whether we truly need to return to the moon when there are so many urgent needs at home. On the other hand, proponents of space exploration argue that it drives technological innovation, generates long-term economic benefits, and inspires us as a society. Moreover, the knowledge we gain from lunar exploration can help us better understand our own planet and prepare for future challenges. Personally, I believe space exploration is an investment in our future. While it's crucial to address Earth's problems, we shouldn't give up on the pursuit of knowledge and expanding our horizons. Perhaps the key lies in finding a balance between both priorities. Artemis II is much more than just a trip to the moon. It's a symbol of our ambition, curiosity, and ability to push boundaries. It reminds us that, as a species, we're destined to explore and discover. But it also raises important questions about our priorities and our role in the universe. Now it's your turn. What do you think? Leave your comment below and join the discussion. Share this video if you're passionate about space.